Alright, so in the unfortunate incident that you do really manage to get your Land Cruiser stuck, you can see that the back wheel is completely in. I'm now going to demonstrate something called as a crawl control. So watch what the car does is, I'm going to step in, okay, I'm going to put it to neutral, I'm going to put it to 4-wheel low. Once it's on 4-wheel low, I switch on the crawl control mode, okay, and then I put it on drive. 1 second, 4-wheel low, crawl control on. Okay, once the crawl control is on, you can set the speed using the dial. So now I have it set it at speed 2. All you have to do now is let go of the brake and just keep doing left and right, and the car will just get itself out on its own.
Whoa.